begin with the crustacean. What is crustacean? Crustacean is derived from their crusty, hard exoskeleton, which contains calcium carbonate in addition to the typically chitin. The majority of the crustaceans live in marine and aquatic environment. The most familiar and numerous crustaceans are decapods like crabs, hermit crab, crayfish, and shrimp. They have a thorax that bears 5 pairs of walking appendages. The gills are positioned above the walking legs. The first pair of walking legs could also act as claws.
Secondly was a copod. Copod and krill are very small. Copod are a free-swimming crustacean that live in the water, where they feed on algae. The examples of copods are barnacles. Barnacles are sessile crustaceans that have thick, heavy, protective shell. Barnacles live on wharf pilings, ship hulls, seaside rock, and also even on the whale's body. The typical crustaceans are crayfish. The external anatomy of crayfish are very unique. The important things that we have to know about crayfish are their respiratory systems, green glands, nervous systems, and their sexes. For the respiratory systems that consist of gills that lie above the walking legs protected by a carapace. For the respiratory systems also have a digestive systems that include a stomach, which have 2 parts, posterior regions and anterior portions. For anterior portions that also called gastric meal, equipped with cotoneous teeth to graze coarse food. For posterior regions that acts as a filter to prevent coarse particles from entering the digestive glands that absorption take place. The green glands that's lying in the head region anterior to the esophagus for the coelom in the green glands that were developed in the annelids and is reduced in the arthropod and also composed chiefly of the space about the reproductive system. A heart pump hemolymph containing the blue respiratory pigment hemocyanin into the hemocoel consisting of sinus where the hemolymph flows about the organs.
Crayfish has well-developed nervous system. They have a brain and a ventral nerve cord that passes posteriorly. Along the nerve cord, the periodic ganglia give off lateral nerve. They also have well-developed sensory organs. Their eyes are accurate and can detect motion and respond to the polarized light. Statocyst is served as organ of equilibrium. The other sensory organs are tactile antenna and chemosensitive setae. In the crayfish, their cells are separate and the gonads are located just ventral to the pericardial cavity. In the male, a coiled sperm duct opens to the 5th walking leg space. The sperm transfer is accomplished by the modified of first 2 swimmers of abdomen, but in the females, the ovaries open to the 3rd walking leg space. A stiff folds between the base of 4th and 5th pairs serve as seminal receptacle. The eggs are attached to the female swimmerette. The young hatchlings are miniature adults and no metamorphosis occurs. After that, we will be explaining about centipede 100-leggers
and millipede 1,000-leggers.
I will tell you about centipede. Each centipede's body segment has a pair of walking legs. Most of the species like to live in moist environments like underlogs, in crevices, and in leaf litters. They are active predators on worms, small crustaceans, and insects. The heads of centipedes include mandibles and pair antennae. The appendages of the first trunk segment kill or immobilize prey, and the mandible chew.
For the millipedes, each of 4 thoracic segments have 1 pair of legs, while abdominal segments have 2 pairs of legs. And millipedes live under a stone. Their cylindrical bodies have a chitinous exoskeleton. And the important things that millipedes have are they have secret hydrogen cyanide as a poisonous substance.
That's all from the two of us. See you again. Thank you.